Hello guys, thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time now, as well as those who are new to the community. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously helped us make this Blockchain Summit 2022 event come together to become a success. Thank you so much, GDCC Blockchain. This couldn't have done it without your support. The cryptocurrency market is flourishing in the global fiscal request with thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin dominated the cryptocurrency request, gouging up 70% of its market value. But the swift-growing platforms are all challengers to the Ethereum, the alternate largest crypto network launched in 2015, that has 1,300 full-time inventors creating operations on it. Blockchains have surged in fashionability ever since Bitcoin introduced the word to cryptocurrency. There has no way been a new technology that has grown this fast. In a blockchain, data is stored in a way that it's near insolvable to change or hack it. Everyone wants a piece of this pie, from Silicon Valley to businesses and adventurous plutocrats. But while blockchain has been around for a long time, people substantially associate it with cryptocurrency. Blockchain has now evolved into colorful, decentralized systems that work its power. This elaboration owes its success to the creation of smart contracts, a tone-executing piece of law that's stored in the blocks of a blockchain. The contracts allow for the robotization of tasks that were preliminarily performed by a central reality in software systems and operations. The time 2008 introduced a prominent revolutionary intervention in the world of technology with blockchain, while the focus of blockchain in the original times largely revolved around cryptocurrency operations. It has sluggishly evolved to programmable chains, which could be accumulatized for colorful use cases. But what does blockchain ecosystem actually means? The description of blockchain ecosystems principally points to a group of rudiments able of interacting with each other and a guarding word for creating a terrain with ask special features. You can also define a blockchain ecosystem as the agreed upon governance. As a result, we can witness the blockchain ecosystem growing exponentially in recent times. Still, it's important to understand the ecosystem and what value it delivers to blockchain as new, a rising technology. This video will help you uncover the significance of blockchain ecosystem in 2022 and a brief overview of the significant factors in the ecosystem. But what does blockchain ecosystem actually means? The description of blockchain ecosystems principally points to a group of rudiments able to interacting with each other and the guarding word for creating a terrain with asked special features. You can also define a blockchain ecosystem as the agreed upon governance structure for a specific use case. The governance structure provides a description of the respectful interrogation of actors, data, power, backing, exit, and entrance criteria, and conditions for information sharing among actors. All of these issues come under the compass of arising blockchain ecosystem ideas, and applicable planning for their operation ensures the success of the design. But why do we actually need blockchain ecosystem? 1. Enhanced security. Your data is sensitive and pivotal, and blockchain can significantly change how critical information is viewed. By creating a record that can be altered and translated end-to-end, blockchain helps help fraud and unauthorized exertion. Sequestration issues can also be addressed on blockchain by anonymizing particular data and using warrants to help access. Information is stored across a network of computers rather than a single garrison, making it delicate for hackers to view data. 2. Lesser translucency. Without blockchain, each association has to keep a separate database. Because blockchain uses a distributed tally, deals and data are recorded identically in multiple locales. All network actors with permission access see the same information at the same time, furnishing full translucency. All deals are invariability recorded and are time and date stamped. This enables members to view the entire history of sale and nearly eliminates any occasion for fraud. Instant traceability. Blockchain creates an inspection trail that documents the provenience of an asset at every step on its trip. In delegations where customers are concerned about environmental or mortar rights issues guarding a product, or in duty troubled by counterfeiting and fraud, this helps give the evidence. With blockchain, it's possible to partake data about provenience directly with guests. Traceability data can also expose sins in any forced chain where goods might sit on a lading wharf awaiting convenience. Now, let's quickly have a look at the core blockchain factors. The distributed ledger, the record of all deals, is a blockchain itself. Bitcoin is the original currency of the Bitcoin blockchain. It's decentralized, which serves its advantage. Soon, we'll be in a position to set up and manage our own digital identity. Peer-to-peer networks, P2P. Numerous bombs are linked to the internet in a clustered way. It stores the complete accompanying blockchain addition. At all points of time, each node in peer-to-peer networks agrees to one blockchain state, so that anyone can check a sale singly. It works substantially on a decentralized system. Consensus medium. It's erected to the consensus algorithm and protocol. It's a process that utilizes protocol and algorithm so that bombs will agree on the same state of the blockchain without having to trust one another. It's a series of rules that control the whole network operation and all core factors. Since Bitcoin is having a protocol, so it's a member of the agreement medium. Two of the most popular agreement algorithms and their separate incitement medium are proof of stake and evidence of work. To secure the network, the proof of work uses fiercest resource as to compare to proof of stake. The evidence of work secure the blockchain. When we combine ledger and peer-to-peer network, the result attained isn't innately secure and dependable, but by using the consensus medium, we can make the attained result secure, dependable, and innately inflexible. In settlement medium, the original currency encourages participation in the decentralized network. While agitating blockchain, we can consider an incitement as a sale, so the sale has to be secure. It means we have to check the security of an incitement by assaying the collective knowledge of interceders' bombs. If intermediate bombs are honest and share successfully, also they are rewarded from a blockchain sale. An incitement medium is receiver conspiracy resistant or receiver non-competitive resistant, where the receiver and any party of his neighbors using any strategic profile other than that cannot maximize their anticipated quantum of serviceability. So here's a list of 10 fastest growing blockchain ecosystem 2022. GDCC Blockchain Global Digital Cluster Coin is a new age protocol that caters to Web 3.0 services and community-driven technology, allowing users to build their D-apps and serving as a hub for digital assets, international payments, and applications. Because the protocol is open to all, anyone in the world with an internet connection can access the system at any time. Solana. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the swift-growing ecosystem in crypto, with thousands of systems gauging, DeFi, NFTs, webs, and more. Solana ensures compatibility between ecosystem systems by maintaining a single global state at the network scales. It's one of the swift-growing cryptocurrency ecosystems of 2022. TechPain Coin. TechPain Coin is a euro design making swells in a crypto space because it's the fastest blockchain to ever live, with the smallest sale futurity time of 500 milliseconds and capacity to reuse 1000 deals per second. It's stylish to invest in TechPay Coin now before the relinquishment of the unequaled performant blockchain starts to protest in. Near. For investors looking to diversify into other subcastle, one networks, Near may be a great investment for you. For investors looking to make high returns in a short period, Near may not be the stylish investment for you. It's one of the swift-growing cryptocurrency ecosystems of 2022. Polygon. Polygon is a cryptocurrency with the symbol MATIC, and also a technology platform that enables blockchain networks to connect and gauge. Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, was launched under the name Matic Network in 2017. It's one of the swift-growing cryptocurrency ecosystems of 2022. Flow. Flow is easy to use and important to make with. Every aspect of the platform was designed from the ground up to support exceptional stoner experience at a mainstream scale. Firstly, conceived by the platoon behind the CryptoKitties, Flow Moment is a decentralized network supported and directed on by a growing community of brands and web builders. Now, let's talk about blockchain governance. Understanding the complications of blockchain governance is critical. On other propositions of governance to give sapience into the design of blockchain governance mechanisms, we define blockchain governance as the processes by which stakeholders, those who are affected by and can affect the network, exercise log-rolling power over the network. Major considerations include the description of stakeholders, how the agreement medium distributes endogenous log-rolling power between those stakeholders, the commerce of exogenous governance mechanisms and institutional fabrics, and the requirements for bootstrapping networks. We propose that on-chain governance models can only be partial because of the actuality of implied contracts that bed prospects of return among different stakeholders. Experimenters and interpreters have demonstrated that the benefits of blockchain and distributed checks aren't limited to cryptocurrency similar as Bitcoin. The technology, including blockchain, also has the implication to transfigure government conditioning by offering new ways of organizing processes and handling information. But despite blockchain's eventuality, trials and studies suggest it still has a way to go before it can achieve significant government metamorphosis. So, what's the key to unleashing the transformative power of blockchain and distributed checks in digital government? The answer isn't simply a matter of technology, but also involves moral and institutional factors. Satoshi Nakamoto, the innovator of blockchain technology, didn't start off by allowing about how the technology could ameliorate sale or information processing effectiveness. Rather, he considered a veritability mortal concern: trust. Perfecting trust is in fact blockchain's superpower and its relative advantage over other tools and technologies used in sale and information processing. Blockchain's unique combination of cryptography and distributed networking allows a tamper-resistant tag-only and inflexible tally that contains verified and validated deals and provides a foundation for governments, citizens, and businesses to trust one another, social trust. Also, officers should consider what information needs to be captured and stored in the blockchain, and inversely, what shouldn't be captured and stored there. To support the thing of trust, followed by consideration of the blockchain protocols, infrastructures, and other specialized considerations that deliver the necessary capabilities. This approach requires a new three-subcastle design and perpetration paradigm comprised of a social subcastle, mortal actors, and social aspects similar as stoner impulses and provocations, culture, situations of digital knowledge, access to technology, etc. A data subcastle, the tally itself as an inflexible store of transactional data records, including considerations of data usability, sequestration, security, authenticity, trustability, integrity, etc. And a specialized subcastle, the technology mount including the distributed tally protocols, agreement mechanisms, infrastructures, peer-to-peer, networks, data storehouse, etc. Espousing this approach encourages consideration of important design trade-offs among the layers that could help avoid implicit disalignments between the technology and its intended area of operation, as well as encourage risky relinquishment and further transformative issues for governments. So the bottom line is that blockchain technology's numerous generalities and features might be astronomically extensible to a wide variety of situations. These features apply not just to immediate environment of currency and payments or to contracts, property and all fiscal request deals, but beyond to parts as different as government, health, wisdom, knowledge, publishing, profitable development, art, culture, and conceivably indeed more astronomically to enable orders of magnitude larger scale mortal progress. Blockchain technology could be relatively reciprocal in a possibility space for the unborn world that includes both centralized and decentralized models. Like any new technology, the blockchain is an idea that originally disrupts, and over time it could promote the development of a larger ecosystem that includes both the old way and the new invention. The combination of well-known characteristics like mincing, decentralization, and invariability makes the BT unique and explains the adding interest of wisdom and assiduity in it. Due to the limited literature, open questions, and the number of systems in conception or prototype status, we noticed that the operation of blockchains is the perspective of open wisdom is in an early development phase. Nonetheless, the technology can formally make precious benefactions to the area. For illustration, by perfecting current workflows of experimenters, establishing trust in specialized systems, and enabling new collaborations, as well as mollifying being problems. One of them is the reproducibility extremity, in which BT isn't a standalone result, but in our view, a probative part of it. But numerous systems need further time to develop for being salutary. Still, there's still important to do in terms of standardization, governance models, freshman benevolence, interfaces, security and legal issues, and educational work to completely exhaust the eventuality of the technology. So, as long as the relinquishment of the BT grows, we anticipate it to get more mature continuously. In this regard, the addressing of the linked challenges will play a vital part in the future. The current situation is similar to a green field in which no specific constraints live, and experimenters have numerous openings to apply new innovative blockchain-grounded systems and operation scripts. Altogether, after our review, we epitomize that the capabilities of the BT for open wisdom are by far not exhausted yet. We conclude that the technology can have a significant positive impact on scientific work and its open ecosystems, but that primarily depends on the technology's acceptance of the scientific community and all other associated stakeholders, which is presently changeable. Well, I don't want to take too much of your time. I need to leave some time for other speakers too. Today will be fun and full of learning. Thank you for your lovely time. Happy learning!
Have you ever dreamed of owning a land on the Metaverse? Here's your chance. Bliss Token and Global Digital City presents winmetaland contest. Yes, you heard it right. Bliss Token and Global Digital City has brought you a contest through which you will not only get a chance to participate in a virtual land contest, but you can also get a golden opportunity to experiment with new adventures and new technology. By winning this contest, 75 winners every month will get a chance to win free land on Bliss Token backed Metaverse Global Digital City. Also, 1,000 contestants will get free 50 Bliss tokens free every month. To participate in the contest, first you have to visit our website, www.winmetaland.com, and sign up. After that, you have to enter the Bliss token wallet address. To get your Bliss token wallet address, you will have to create an account on Bliss token website. That is www.blisstoken.io. After doing this, the more you tell people about this contest through Facebook and social media and engage with them and post about it, the more your entries you will get, which will increase your chance of winning. Now, here is the exciting part. We have a special feature called Refer a Friend. The more you refer, the more chances you earn. The first contest will end on the 15th of October. This contest will run every month, so even if you don't win the first, you will still have the chance of winning upcoming contests. Winners will get access to their virtual lands from the 15th of December this year. So, what are you waiting for? Participate and try your luck and become part of Global Digital City.